Good morning, good evening, afternoon, or good night. It is me, Jovial, and today we're gonna do chapter 156 of the Soredemo Ayumu Yosetekuru manga. Another RRC. I don't think I have mentioned RRC in a long time. It stands for Reaction, Review, and Commentary, and those are the things that I do for basically most reaction videos. I just call them RRC. But I have a hunch, and I think it's gonna be chapter 185 all over again, but with green. There's a chance, and I've actually seen someone predict, or maybe because I have seen it on Discord server, but maybe it's not. So let's dive on in, shall we? And now a game of Shogi. So it's not, probably not. It's just a standard game of Shogi. Or Urushi winning, probably. One move at a time seems like solid advice, or maybe a solid strategy, but I play chess, and yeah, I think it's good to do it one at a time, but in chess and maybe in Shogi, it may translate to Shogi, you need to always have a plan. Always have a plan. It's better to have a bad plan than no plan at all. And if you have a bad plan, then think of a better plan. If you have no plans, think of a plan, even if it's bad. And if you have a bad plan, then think of a better plan. I wonder how long will Yamamoto Sensei extend the story, because as for now, the supposed end goal is Ayumu confessing to Urushi, and I don't think it should happen anytime soon. And it's getting dragged on, quote unquote dragged on, but I prefer extended. And I want it to extend as much as possible, but it still is a story-based manga. It's not Takagi, where it can just go for 1,000 chapters doing the same thing, which it could, but it's not that type of manga. It doesn't have that type of plot. Oh, what a nice face from Urushi. So with a two-piece handicap, probably still Urushi lost. A victory with Urushi with only a two-piece handicap. So it's still a one-piece handicap next. Oh my lord. Wow. I have no complaints, honestly, but I know people in the server, in the community, that has. Oh yeah, that bitter Urushi face. I sense a new emoji. Oh, that's an honest Urushi. You wanna play one to be handicap? Yeah, a little bit prestigious about there. Yeah, why not? At long last, the difference is but one piece. Will Ayumu achieve his goal by graduation? Oh, wait. Oh. That actually implies a lot. I don't actually remember if that's part of the Ross or just the Scanlators adding things, but if that is there, it actually implies a lot of things. Progress, you could have progress with in this case. What a cute Urushi. Progress, eh? Well, it's been a while actually, and what a while it has been. Chapter 186, removing finally graduating from a two-piece handicap to a one-piece handicap. It's really hitting that it's almost time for a confession and maybe more drama, love drama related things in the series. And it's actually interesting and sad to see, because it's interesting because it's good story. It's a Yamamoto Soichiro book manga and it will be good, but it's sad that there's a chance that it may slowly be over. And it's kind of heartbreaking again. And it's, I don't want it to be Steven Universe all over again. But that's it for me today. See you next time. Peace and goodbye. Love y'all.